Hello everyone, my name is Ramchandra Reddy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the preparation of haloarenes. The previous lecture I told you preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols by using Lucas reagent, PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2 and free radical hallucination through alkenes, Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule. All those I discussed in the previous lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss how to prepare the haloarenes. So to prepare the haloarenes, I am taking one method, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. This is also called as SEAR, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions are very common in aromatic compounds like benzene. As we are going to prepare the arene, haloarenes, we have to take aromatic compounds like benzene. Benzene on reaction with chlorine, if I take the chlorine, I already told you this is electrophilic substitution reactions. One electrophile is going to substitute one hydrogen in aromatic ring. Benzene has 6 hydrogens, every carbon has 1 hydrogen. This hydrogen should be substituted with the one electrophile. Okay, that electrophile will be different based on the different reagents. If I take the chlorine in the presence of AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, is anhydrous AlCl3. These two reagents combined together, it can generate one electrophile. What is that electrophile? Chlorine react with AlCl3. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Lewis acid. It requires electrons. It takes the chlorine along with electron as Cl minus. If AlCl3 will take the Cl along with electron, that will be converted into AlCl4 minus. AlCl4 minus. After taking along with the electron chlorine, remaining element is what? Cl. And this Cl has already used electron with another chlorine. So this Cl becomes electron division now. This is Cl plus, which is called as electrophile. This is electrophile. So when chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it generates the electrophile, that is Cl plus. This electrophile going to substitute the hydrogen in aromatic ring. After substitution, we get chlorobenzene. And byproduct is HCl. Okay, this is chlorobenzene. So this is directly we can prepare. If you take chlorine alone, we don't get chlorobenzene because chlorine Cl2 is not good electrophile. Cl plus is a good electrophile. Okay, Cl alone will not form the chlorobenzene product. We have to take one AlCl, anhydrous AlCl3, which can form Cl plus after on taking Cl minus. Next example, I am taking only benzene here. If I take the other molecule, which is methyl substituted benzene, the methyl substituted benzene called as toluene. Methyl substituted benzene called as toluene. If the toluene react with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3, anhydrous Cl3, what will be the products here? The product will depends on the nature of this methyl group. This is not like this molecule, it is simple benzene, but here we have one group is substituted, that is methyl. Okay, the products will be always depends on this group, whether it is electron donating or electron withdrawing, that depends. If electron donating groups are there, if electron donating groups, which are electron donating groups? CH3, methoxy group, OH group, halogens like chlorine, okay, NH2, all these are electron donating groups. Whenever this type of electron donating groups are present on the benzene ring, electrophile can substitute in the benzene in that type of molecule at 2 positions. Then electrophilic substitution takes place at ortho para positions. ortho-para positions. When electron donating groups like this are present at the benzene ring, electrophilic substitution reactions, on electrophilic substitution reaction, the products will be two products. One is ortho product, another is para product. Similarly, electron withdrawing groups are there. Like if I take the C double bond OH, aldehyde or ketone, okay, or carboxylic acids, etc. NO2, like this electron withdrawing groups are there. Electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position. Electrophilic substitution takes place at meta position. Here this CH3 group is electron donating group. When this is electron donating group, electrophilic substitution takes place at ortho and para positions. So write which is ortho. In the benzene nucleus, if any one group is there here, these two positions are ortho. This is ortho and this is also ortho. These two are meta. This is meta and this is also meta. And this is para. For this group, these two are ortho. For this group, these two are meta. For this group, opposition is para. Now, Cl2AlCl3, we have to write as it is electron donating group. We have to write two products. One is ortho product, another one is para. So CH3 Cl plus parachlorotoluene. This is orthochlorotoluene and this is parachlorotoluene. Okay, this way we get the products. Among these two, which will be the major? Orthochlorotoluene, parachlorotoluene, two products are formed. Which is the major? If you observe the ortho position, two groups are adjacent to each other. It can cause some steric repulsions. That's why this can be taken as minor. If you observe these two groups are exactly opposite. There is a far distance between these two groups. So this can be exist as, due to less repulsions between them, it can form as major. This is the minor. Okay. So like this, electrophilic substitution reactions on aromatic ring, we get haloarenes. You can prepare haloarenes by these methods. Okay. And one more point. Here I have taken the toluene on reaction with chlorine AlCl3. The same reaction I will write with another reagent. Another reagent I write, that is when toluene react with iron in Cl2 dark. This example is given in NCERT textbook. If you observe this reaction, Fe in the presence of chlorine, okay, dark condition, what will be the product here? Here also iron, when react Cl2, it can generate the electrophile called as Cl+. Cl+ can be generated as electrophile. That Cl+ can attack. And which position? As I told you, this is said to be electron donating group. Electron donating group. This electron donating group are present. The substitution takes place at ortho and para positions. Which is ortho here? CH3 adjacent group is ortho, that is chlorine, and opposite of CH3 is said to be para. Sorry, this will be the Cl. This is the major, parachlorotoluene. And one more point I will tell you here, the same reaction. Cl2 in the presence of light, Hg, which is nothing but what? Light. Cl in the presence of light. Can you tell me what will be the product here? Toluene on reaction with iron in the Cl2, the dark condition, it undergoes electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution takes place, it can form electrophilic substituted products. Yes or no? Now, chlorine on reaction with the presence of light, can you tell me what is the product here? Light favors, already told you, free radical substitution, free radical mechanism. In this case, chlorine or halogen in the presence of light, previous lecture I already told you, it is selective substitution. That is, selective substitution means when benzylic carbon is there, if it contains hydrogens, benzylic substitution takes place. Free radical substitution, also called as benzylic substitution takes place. Benzylic substitution means what is benzylic carbon here? This is benzylic. It contains 3 hydrogens. One hydrogen you can substitute with 1 chlorine, and the product is CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride. Okay. So see the difference. Chlorine is same in both the reactions, but in the dark condition, this is in the light. Dark condition favors the electrophilic substitution, and light favors the free radical substitution. Which equation it can substitute? Benzylic equation. If it contains allylic equation also, it can substitute allylic equation. Okay. So this way, based on the condition, the product will be different. Okay. So we always have to, we should not use high light condition to form the electrophilic substitution products like ortho and para equations. Okay. So this is one method to prepare the halogenes. Next method is, we can take from another method which is very important, diazotylation. Diazotylation is a process of conversion of the aniline. This is said to be when NH2 group is directly substituted to benzene, it is said to be aniline. Aniline on reaction with sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius at 273 to 278 Kelvin. This is said to be sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite. I write it here. Sodium nitrite. Plus HCl. And this NH2 group can be converted into N2 plus Cl minus. This is said to be benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Here the point is why we are converting aniline to benzene diazonium chloride. What we have to do? We have to prepare halogenes. Halorine means this is one halorine, chlorobenzene. This is another halorine, bromobenzene. These are halogenes. Can you tell me, in aniline molecule, can we directly break this bond and can substitute the Br here by adding HBr? What we need, NH2 should be replaced with Br, or NH2 should be replaced with Cl. Can we directly substitute NH2 group with Br, or can we directly substitute NH2 group with Cl by adding suitable reagent like HCl here? Cannot like this. You see, we cannot able to break this bond and we cannot directly substitute the bromine and chlorine, and we cannot directly prepare the halogenes. Why we cannot prepare directly halogenes means, listen, in this aniline, lone pair of electrons will be there on the nitrogen. This lone pair of electrons are in the resonance with the benzene ring. Whenever this lone pair of electrons involves in resonance, here we get partial double bond character. Due to this partial double bond character, we cannot break this group that much easily, and we cannot substitute one halogen here to prepare the halogens. So, direct preparation of halogens from aniline is not possible due to partial double bond character, which is due to the resonance from the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen. So this bond is very strong now due to partial double bond character. Now we have to weaken this bond. We have to decrease the strength of this bond. How should we weaken this bond? By converting aniline into benzene diazonium chloride. Comparing to aniline, benzene diazonium chloride, this CN bond is very weak. Why this is very weak? Here nitrogen do not have lone pair of electrons in the resonance. Instead, it has a positive charge. When it has a positive charge, it tries to take the electron towards itself to form the neutral into gas. Nitrogen is electronegative, it cannot bear the positive charge. That's why it is trying to take the electron from the CN bond, and so that the bond can be broken easily. Okay, once we break the CN bond, we can substitute the different types of reagents. Here I can add Cu2Cl2. When I add Cu2Cl2, in this Cl minus is a negative part that will be substituted here. Means I will get chlorobenzene. And byproduct is N2 gas. If I add Cu2Br2, we can break this bond easily, and which group is substituted? Bromine. And we get bromobenzene plus N2 gas. Okay. If I add the Ki, potassium iodide, here negative part is iodine, so we get iodobenzene plus N2 gas. Okay. So like that we can easily break this bond, and we can prepare the halo rings easily compared to aniline. I mean directly substitution from aniline. Okay. So this type of process, addition of the Cu2Cl2, Cu2Br2, Ki from diazonium chloride, this process is said to be Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. This is diazotization. This process, conversion of aniline to benzene diazonium chloride, is said to be diazotization. Conversion of diazonium salts into halo rings can be taken as by using Cu2Cl2, Cu2Br2 with copper. With copper salt, in the copper this oxidation number is +1. Copper +1 oxidation state containing salts. Said to be Sandmeyer reaction. This is another method of that is diazotization process, from which we can prepare the halo rings. Next, last method. Okay, that's all for halo rings preparation methods, electrochemical substitution reactions, and diazotization. Next one, we will discuss some named reactions here. Two Ipani named reactions. That is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction, which is used for the preparation of fluoroalkanes. Fluoroalkanes can be prepared by using Schwarz reaction. By normal method we cannot prepare the fluoroalkane, that's why we choose a separate method, Schwarz reaction. The reaction is RX. Here X you can take chlorine or bromine. Reaction with metallic fluorides. These are metallic fluorides. On heating, the product will be, here halogen, fluorine, both are exchanged together. Exchange takes place. Here X can be exchanged to as AgF, or X can be exchanged as RF. So I write it as RF plus AgX. Okay. So this way we can prepare the halo alkanes from the fluoroalkanes selectively from the metallic. Not only AgF, you can take mercurous fluoride, and next one is antimony fluoride, cobalt fluoride. All these are metallic fluorides. In presence of metallic fluorides, we can prepare the fluoroalkanes. This type of reactions are said to be halogen exchange methods. Halogen exchange method. Okay. So I will take one simple example. CH3CH2Cl react with AgF. What is the product here? Cl, fluorine, both are exchanged, and the product is CH3CH2F plus AgCl. A simple reaction. Another name of reaction is Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, we can prepare the iodoalkanes. We can prepare iodoalkanes. This is also said to be halogen exchange method, but we prepare iodoalkanes particularly. For example, RX plus NaI in acetone, triacetone. Here X and iodine both are exchanged. We get Ri plus NaX. Here again X is equal to, you can take chlorine or bromine. Okay. Here this is also exchange method, Hall exchange method. We are preparing the hydroalkanes particularly. Example, if I write CH3